Hi, this video will show you how to find landforms on Google Earth. You'll see a window with tips. If you don't want to see these, you could uncheck the box. Go ahead and close this window. Google Earth shows you layers of different things. Let's turn everything off except for landforms. You can leave the My Places box alone. Using the zoom tool, zoom in and find the type of landform you're looking for. You could see that we already labeled some. Let's label an ocean. Use the zoom tool to zoom out to see more of the Earth. You could click and drag to rotate the Earth. It's easy to find an ocean on Google Earth. Just use your eyes. Look for a huge body of water. To label it, we need to grab the pin tool. As soon as we click the pin tool, a new place mark window pops up, and a push pin shows up in the middle of the screen. Click on the push pin and drag it wherever you want to go. You could see the coordinates change once you move the pin. Once you have the pin where you want it, put a name into the place mark window. You could also put in a description. Press OK when you are finished with it. Let's look for a river. Don't rely on the search window. Using Google Earth to search for the word rivers will just bring you to other cities that have the word river in it. Use your eyes instead. When you zoom in, we are looking for winding shapes. Don't look for blue rivers. Rivers look brownish gray from overhead. Now that we see a river, we could drop a pin on it. Give it a name and a description. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have lots of fun with Google Earth.